New rims coming. New rims coming. They're gonna be put on here. Just want y'all to see. Look at that. That's that fitment. The tire's gonna take most of this away. New one. So, yo, what is good, YouTube? We is back with another POV drop. I know I've been gone for a little minute, but your boy done got him a job, bruh. I've been working, bro. I've been grinding, running up that cheese, but I got a lot of stuff planned, bro. I got a new bumper, new front bumper. I got headlights, and I got new wheels coming, as y'all seen in the first clip. Those wheels got to get finished sand down and everything, polished up, and then I'm gonna put them on here. One of the rims have it has a crack in it, I believe, which is the reason why I haven't put them on yet. It has a crack in the tire, won't hold air, so I got to get that fixed, and then I'm gonna get an alignment, because you know, once I lower the springs, I got to get that done. And then I think one of my fuel injectors is going bad, so I ordered a new fuel injector. I'm gonna have that put in tomorrow, and hopefully like that'll fix a little bit of performance issues. So really, I just been having a little maintenance, just getting caught up on my maintenance. Oil change about to get done soon, so hey, that's pretty much what's been going on. But we back. Once we get this fuel injector put in, the POVs will be going way harder. Hopefully it fix the performance issues I'm having. But yeah, so I'm gonna just chill. Just gonna be a little calm little POV. Ain't nothing gonna be too much talking. If y'all got any ideas of what I should do next, let me know. Hopefully eventually I get my steering wheel by the time like I go back, maybe like August or whenever. It doesn't really matter, bro. I'm just trying to get that in, and I'm gonna work on my interior. I'm gonna get my exterior right, and then interior. But yeah, just let me know if y'all have any ideas or recommendations. Leave them down below, and I'm gonna let y'all vibe out. Y'all, I started getting back into fishing, bruh. So most of the times when I get off work, bruh, I just like lately, well, not recently, cause bro, it's been OD hot, bruh. Like we at heat wave right now. I get a heat wave warning every day now, bruh. It's too hot to even like stand outside for like 5 minutes, bruh. It's OD hot. Usually I'll be like 2 weeks ago, last week, I was going fishing, bruh. So hey, that's like a little calm and like relaxing type of thing to do, bro. Like early morning, and probably like late night. Like I'm about to do a late night fishing. So yeah, I just been chilling, bro. My birthday just passed, you know, a younger just turned 21. So we up right now. Just enjoying life, bro. Nothing else to really do, man. Oh, and let me know if y'all want me to start going to car meets, bro. Like, I'll pull up on some car meets, like, in Virginia, bro. I'll pull up on some, see what they about. Once I get my front bumper and headlights, bro, I'm out there, gang. I'm out there. Y'all, I want to get a wrap, right? So listen, y'all think I should go matte? Like, how y'all feel about matte black? Like, me personally, I love black, bro. I just think black go good with anything, bro. Like, everything look good with black. So you can't go wrong with matte black. Or should I get like a actual color? I don't know. I'm still like trying to figure it out what I want to do, cause I like my paint now, but like, bro, that fake blood like messed up my paint bad, bro. Like, that don't mess my paint up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just wrap the car, bro. Or I mean I could get it like fixed up, polished, and clear coated again, but I mean, like, I might as well just get the wrap at that point, cause I'm just gonna be wrapping. Well, I'll just do the whole car at that point. But I don't know. Trying to figure it out. It's either that or I'll go like a dark red, bro. Like a dark red, almost like maroon. this spacing, bro. Like, you don't make this up. Like, he can't even at least follow traffic. Never understood why we were braking at a green light, gang. Never will understand. Like, what is this, bro? Whose mans is this, gang? Like, actually, whose mans? See that, bro? That man crazy. And he just slows down. What are we doing? He's on his phone, bro. What are you doing? Like, bro, what? Turn at, bro. Like, I feel like, bro, I've been driving forever, bro. Where my turn at, gang? Oh my. Alright, y'all, we just made it to the UPS. I need to drop off this package, and then yeah, let me drop off this. I should have parked right there. Alright, YouTube, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all new, drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all got any questions, let me know down below. I'm about to go drop off this package, y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.